Hey, this is Pat Iyer with Legal Nurse Business. I'd like you to meet Wendy Votroubek, who is a nurse in Portland and one of the speakers at our gunshot wound conference. Wendy, I'm curious, how did you get involved in working on criminal cases as a legal nurse consultant?
I think to start with, it was probably one of our civil attorneys that also did criminal defense and just asked us if we did criminal cases. And then over time, I think the 9 years that we've done criminal defense, it's just exploded.
When you say exploded, what percentage of the cases that you work on now are criminal cases?
Typically, it's about 50%.
Wow.
And
50%.
during the pandemic, it was closer to 75 when everything was shut down.
So it sounds like the criminal cases just kept rolling along, whereas other types of cases disappeared or got put on hold for many
Correct.
attorneys and legal nurse consultants.
Yeah, it's good bread and butter. Actually, better than good. It's awesome.
Awesome bread and butter. All right, I like that. And I know that many of the people coming to the conference may not be aware of some of the nuances of working on criminal cases. Can you share with our viewer, what are some of the key points that you're going to be covering when you are presenting at our conference?
Well, when I work with subcontractors and with criminal cases, I have nurses that are generalists, and then I also have nurses that are forensic nurses that are trained in forensic work. And cases that involve gunshot wounds, sexual assault, certain abuse cases, you really need to have a forensic nurse look at those. For cases that are more general, such as that involve a lot with medical records and not necessarily sexual assault, some generalists do a great job with those, but you really need to have forensic nurses available to do those cases that a generalist would miss some of those finer points.
Excellent. Will you be covering some of those points when you're speaking at the conference?
Yeah, I will.
Perfect.
Yeah.
I know for you who's watching this video, you may be curious about what conference we're discussing. This is the Gunshot Wound Conference. It is a guide to criminal cases, and it's specifically geared to introduce legal nurse consultants to this type of case. We will be having speakers who are attorneys, who are nurses, a ballistics expert, legal nurse consultants, business experts. The conference is taking place January 27th and 28th, 2022. Be sure to go to this link in order to sign up. It is http://lnc.tips/GSW. That stands for gunshot wound. The link again is http://lnc.tips/GSW. And you'll have a chance to talk with Wendy, get to know her particular expertise as a legal nurse consultant who's got a practice that is deeply involved in criminal cases. Be sure to sign up for that conference.
Awesome. Thanks, Pat.